Well, hello, welcome to Omar's Garage. Today we're going to be replacing the fog lights on my Mini Cooper. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, I have a 2007 Mini Cooper project car that I picked up, and I've been kind of replacing everything on it. I'm getting ready to pass inspection on it, so I want to make sure that everything is in order. And right now, one of the fog lights is not working. So when I turn the car on, it's not coming up. And I'm also getting an error light on the dash for a light out. So I've already replaced the light for the rear tail lights, the license plate lights, and I think one of the final things is probably going to be that fog light. So we're going to go ahead and replace that today. As you can see, this light is on. That's kind of like a daytime running light kind of thing. This one is off, so we're going to go ahead and we'll start replacing those bulbs. All right, so for the base model, that's what the light looks like. They're called parking lights, I think. There's not really a fog light bulb in there. It's just these small little bulbs. I'm switching them out with LEDs. So I'm going to go ahead and swap that out with one of these new ones. All right, so in here, you're going to find the access panel for this. It's going to be a cap. All you're going to do is you're going to go in there and rotate it to the left, and the whole thing should come right out. And that'll give you access to the lights. Once you go in there, you're going to reach your hand in there, and there's going to be one at the top. And what you're going to do is you're just going to twist to the left. So you're going to rotate counterclockwise once you feel that, and you can just pull that right out, and you'll see a bulb that looks just like that. And you can just remove the small bulb on the tip. That's what that bulb looks like. We're going to replace it with these LEDs. And these can be used for the dome lights. It's for several different uses. They're kind of universal. We're going to place this one here, and you kind of see the difference. I mean, one's going to be a little bit wider, I guess. You can kind of see the difference between the two, but they're pretty similar. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to place this back into here. All right, so that's in there. So we're going to go ahead and put that back in that hole that it just came out of, and we're going to go and just twist it clockwise. So it goes in the hole, and then we're going to, once it's in there, we're going to twist it to the right. All right, so once you're done, we're going to put this cap back on. Just slide that up, line up the tabs, and then we're going to twist to the right, and it locks into place. Just tug on it, make sure it's secure, and you're good to go. All right, so as you can see, I just replaced the LED bulb on this side. It's you can tell it's a white light compared to the old bulb. I actually swapped, in order to test things out, I swapped the bulb that was there that I knew was working, and I swapped it over to this side, because that way it lets me know that the light's working properly, which it is. So everything's good, but I mean, it's a big difference between the LED, you have that white light, and you have the original bulbs, which are more of a yellow light. So it makes a pretty big difference. All right, so that's going to be it for today. It's going to be pretty quick and simple. Just replacing the fog light bulb with LEDs. I'm replacing LEDs. I think all the bulbs on the car pretty much with LEDs all around. But as you can see in the background, it's a huge difference between the LED bulb, which is on the passenger side, on the driver's side, and then the regular bulb that's on the right side. So it's something that's pretty cheap. I'll put a link in the description for the product I used. I got like a 10 or 12 pack, and I can use those bulbs for the dome lights and for things like that, for a bunch of different uses. But to me, they're definitely worth it, and that should hopefully get rid of that warning light that I have. That whenever you have a light bulb out on the Mini Coopers, you'll get a warning light letting you know that you need to check your lights. So that's going to be it for today. It's a quick video. Hope it helped you out. If it did, go ahead and like, comment, share, and if you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram at Omar's Garage with a Z in the middle. So that's going to be it for today. You all take care and stay safe.